Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the AI Enhance option on the Photoleap application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the Edit Photo button at the upper side of the screen and select a picture from your gallery. Now go to the last option, the Enhance, next to the Transform at the bottom of the screen, and this function used automatically on your picture. And done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.